Hey guys, it is Adam here from Pro Detailing Solutions, and we are back with the finished result of this Lotus Emira. So this has had our full STEK'S Dynoprism wrap over it. So that's your paint protection film that we're talking about. It's pretty cool. You'll see some clips of the vehicle in some certain shots. You can see it at different angles. It changes its color from that blue to that purple kind of look. And it just gives it the overall appearance to a customized look for the owner, but also protecting it for many years to come from stone chips and scratches. Yeah, it's been great working on this car. It's quite a tricky and complex car to wrap, but we finally got there and this is the end result. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time.